Hey French horns, this is the tutorial for half scale number 3, which is concert A flat, your E flat scale. Let's take a look. The first note is E flat, which if you'll remember from scale 2 is second valve. We'll go ahead and find that on the fingering chart. It's right there, second valve. The next note is just regular F, first valve. Next note is G, which is open. The next note, the most critical note of the scale. Okay, the fourth note on these flat scales will often be the one we have to look out for the most. That is an A flat, but if I don't know that, I can just look for the picture and try to find it over here. Okay, so I see an A there. There's my A flat. Okay, and this has two fingerings written. If there's ever two fingerings written, for the most part, you take the first fingering. Okay, so the first one there is trigger 2 and 3 for that A flat. So that's first trigger note, right, that we've had in our scales. So trigger and then second finger, third finger. Okay, and then we go up and we have a B, B flat. If you remember our flat rule for B, flat first for B flat. Okay, and we look here and see the B flat right there. And we see, in fact, yes, trigger still 1. So the trigger stays down for the A flat and for the B flat for both notes. Okay, so we're going to play the arpeggio after we finish the scale. This time the arpeggio is not circled for us, but it is the first note of every measure. So I've got E flat, second valve, then we go to G, which is open, then we go to the B flat, trigger 1, come back to the G, and then go second valve for the E flat. Okay, let's play a test note and then play the half scale. Second valve to start. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, then we'll want to flip the page over to do the pass-off version. And on number 3, again, we have the 3 flats over in the key signature. So I suggest you take your pencil and go ahead and mark those flats in the scale just like we saw them on the half note side, the introduction side. So you can put a flat right there in front of the first E flat, put a flat in front of the A flat, remember in front of is to the left of, then a flat in front of the B flat, another flat in between the B flat and the A flat for the A, and then a flat here at the end for the E flat. Now on the arpeggio, you can put the flats too. E flat for the first note, B flat for the top note, and E flat for the last note. Okay, we'll do a test note and then we'll play this scale. Set position. Finger first note. 1, 2, test note. 1, 2.